Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here coming at you with some very important news on Ripple and XRP. If you enjoy cryptocurrency related content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way the YouTube algorithm notifies you whenever I upload new content. But before we get started with that, if you guys want a free stock, that's right, a free stock valued between $1 and like $200, click the link in the description to my Robinhood referral link. You click that link, you sign up, and you'll get a free stock through the Robinhood referral program. It's a win-win for both of us. So if you want to get a free stock, start investing, you got to click that link in the description to my Robinhood referral link. So Ripple XRP, all right, what's the news today? So Ripple has had a report out that says that XRP and blockchain adoption will explode in the next 2 months. Report finds increased adoption of digital assets such as XRP and blockchain technology during 2020. In the next 2 years, 24% of survey participants expect to be in a blockchain product testing phase, okay? Ripple has published its third annual report on blockchain and payments with positive results for the blockchain industry, the XRP digital asset, and cryptocurrencies. The report is based on a survey conducted from August to September of this year. The 854 respondents are involved in the provision of payment services and were spread over 22 countries. In addition, Ripple revealed that the company's surveyed range in size in terms of revenue from 500,000 to more than $10 billion US dollars. In that regard, Ripple makes a comparison with the 2019 results and states that the blockchain industry is in its final phases of adoption. In the current context, with the global economy affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, the report states business interest in digital assets when paired with blockchain technology for payments has grown sharply as early adopters look to increase the speed in payment settlement. In that sense, the report indicates that 79% of participants have shown growth by entering unexplored markets and improving their services and products. Of all sectors, the most crucial was innovation in payment technology, according to 44% of participants. The company's surveys said that their customers expect them to continue to innovate in payment technologies. In terms of adoption, the report found that 34% of participants are in the production phase of some solution with blockchain technology, okay? Therefore, this sector has made a leap between early adopters to early majority. 24% of the participants expect to complete production and move on to a pilot test and a proof of concept within the next 2 years, as shown below. So what this is, this little graph here shows how adoption occurs, and it's specifically talking about blockchain. If you went back to when the internet first came out, it was a very similar graph where the very first of the innovators, then the early adopters, then the early majority, then the late majority, then the laggards. And this timeline on the bottom is just a reference for that, okay? In emerging markets, 37% of participants are in production to implement blockchain technology. Asia and the Pacific is the leading region in these terms with 41%, followed by Latin America, by multiplying its participation in blockchain production by 6, then the Middle East and Africa with 24% of production and a possible increase to 29, as shown in the graph below. XRP in its role in blockchain adoption. Another key point revealed by Ripple report is the diversification in use cases by companies using blockchain technology. 98% of participants using a blockchain have deployed technology for supply chain management, commerce, and finance. So it's not surprising that 99% of participants said their company could use a digital asset such as XRP to process payments or as a medium of exchange. In contrast to the 2018 results, this figure has grown by 94%. So we're seeing massive growth in that figure. Among the strengths that participants said blockchain technology has, the speed to make cross-border transactions received 40% of the responses. In this aspect, the digital asset XRP in its instantaneous transfers with Ripple's ODL solution offers the most important benefit for respondent companies, along with cost and reliability as shown below. Now, the only issue we have with blockchain right now, and it's not Ripple's fault, it's not Binance's fault, it's no company's fault, is regulatory certainty, which is mainly talking about the US and a lot of European countries where they're not putting out clear rules for what's allowed when it comes to blockchain and digital assets and things like that, cryptocurrency, cryptography. And so because of that, that has been an issue. And I think that has slowed things down a little bit versus where they would be if the US just had clear rules. And again, we're not here saying that the US should say whatever goes, goes. We are saying that we want some type of rule. Just let us know what the rules are and we'll follow them. Pretty simple. It's how any other business operates. No business is going to operate and not know the rules and just, right? It just doesn't make sense. Just give us some clear guidelines and the companies will follow them. Pretty simple. But I think the US and some other major countries are going to miss out because, again, we're in a global world now. If the US doesn't want to have blockchain companies in it, another country will, and that country will benefit from the jobs and the money that comes in from those companies. Okay, so XRP is basically going to be entering the beginning phases of the adoption curve for the next part of the curve. Again, this is just a timeline showing that, but you don't want to miss out, in my opinion. That's why I own XRP, but that's not investment advice, just my opinion. So yeah, very interesting there. Next up, Ripple, a huge bank from Vietnam joins RippleNet. Orient Commercial Joint Stock Bank, OCB, with an estimated value of $4.6 billion joins RippleNet. OCB has potential ties to the Chinese government, and its integration could lead to greater adoption of Ripple in Asia. I'm not going to go through the whole article, but yeah, a big bank has joined RippleNet, and I'm not surprised by this, guys. I mean, we see this all the time. Every other week, there's a new huge company getting involved with XRP or getting involved with Ripple, and I'm not surprised. I mean, what do you guys think about this? Do you think this is a game changer, or are you just, this is what I expect? I mean, this should be happening a couple times a month. We see a new company join RippleNet, so it's nothing that's a surprise to me. I think it's great news, but I thought I would throw this in there. Next up, we have the markets today. Markets are up a bit today, 1.29% increase in total market cap. Bitcoin up about 2% on the day. Ethereum up about 1.5%. XRP up almost 2.5%. Okay, so 2.26% in the last 24 hours. Most of your top coins are up a bit today. It is a nice day in the markets. There are some big movers today. Total market cap is at $364 billion, and Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 59.2%, so just under 60%. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. And once again, if you want a free stock that could be between $1 and like $200, click the link in the description to my Robinhood affiliate link. I'll catch you next time, and as always, have a great day.